everybody! Welcome to this mini course about learning Revit API. This course is made for Revit users who wanna automate or create custom workflows for their office, and I will be your instructor. My name is Erik Frits. Throughout this course, I will show you how to use pyRevit, Revit Lookup, and Revit Python shell, so you can start using Revit API with Python. And by the end of this course, each and everyone will create your own custom extensions, and I will show you basics of Revit API. And you will be able to use these basics to actually start building a lot of simple tools. But I still try to make it as simple as possible, even if you have very little understanding of programming. So you can follow along, see what goes in, what goes out, and how much we need to know about Python in general. And overall, after watching this course, I hope you're gonna start creating lots of little tools, and eventually you're gonna increase complexity and become another Revit API expert.